Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a painting I got from an Amazon order that's all by itself. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I did an Amazon order because it's, well, almost all of us are doing right now. We're just trying to get our Christmas gifts in for the holidays or for anything. And of course, Rosie's going to squeeze in a painting here or two with all of my gifts. So this poor painting was ordered by itself, and it actually arrived by itself. All my other items are still pending, and I actually have another Amazon order. That's several paintings and a large packet that I was able to find at a discount, but that's another video for another time. So for this one, it's just this painting, and I fell in love when I saw the image. Big fan of it. So let me just open it real quick. I didn't notice that the little glue part is on top. For some reason I assumed it was on the bottom. Well, unless I turn it around. Maybe. So this is the painting. I loved when I saw the image. I love anything with a lot of color and all of that. And you'll see why I fell in love with this one in a moment. So sometimes some of the Amazon paintings do come in folded in half, which isn't an issue, as I know everything is securely in. In the back, it's a real sturdy canvas, as you can hear in my fingers. I really love these kind of canvases. And it includes the diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you need a diamond painting, your standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour your diamonds in the tray, press the pen onto the wax, onto the diamonds, onto your painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if the little tray becomes lost, runs away, or if unfortunately breaks, your next canvas will have one as well. They always have you covered. It's a little fancier because it comes with little storage bags. I do like these. They're really good for extra diamonds, or if you prefer to be pouring your diamonds into those bags while you're painting. And these are diamonds. Oh my goodness, they are really autumny color. That's how I see it, with all of the oranges and the yellows. These wonderful greens at the bottom. Big fan of that. Oh, and on the other side, it's completely different. Dark blues and dark pinks as well. Some browns. Oh, I really like these colors. Big fan of them. And this is the painting. It's a mountainside with what is, to me, I think of the Northern Lights. It kind of, as you can see, the wonderful pastel colors on top, edges of the mountain, and a lighted up river reflecting the lights. I was a big fan when I saw the image, so I just love the colors. And I think I can get everything on screen. Yeah, I think I can get everything on screen. And it's such a really beautiful palette. As you can see, there's a crease in the middle, but since I put a lot of these paintings in a portfolio, the crease does disappear. It's not an issue for me, but I really love it. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I kind of didn't notice it when I got it from the package. I put it on the side because I was going to record, but I really do like this. Ooh, I love the colors and the mounds. Don't kid up, Rosie. I'm still trying to finish some paintings, but every time I unbox these, I get surprised and I want to start on them. That's usually our issue, isn't it? And some information about the painting. It is LY3563 and it's a 30x40, and it is 26 colors. And for the legend, from the numbers 1 through 8, they're in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 all the way to 26, they're all capitalized letters. As you can see, they're kind of all in order, A, C, D, and all of that. A, C, D. Sorry about that. And I really love the legends. They're really detailed, and you can see them really clearly, all the colors and the symbols. And they do the thing I really love. There's one on the top left, one in the lower right. I move my paintings around when I paint, so I love that there's two canvases so I can refer to them really quickly. No matter if I have my painting upside down, it's okay. I can still see the legend. And on this painting, the plastic is really sturdy. It's a little thicker than usual, as you can see. And the stick is no joke either. Ooh, yeah, I really left a fingerprint that time. I never had problems with these any paintings I've ordered from Amazon. I haven't had a problem with any diamonds falling off or anything like that. You can seal them if you wish to, but myself, I usually don't. And as I said, I haven't really had any issues with that before. This painting, I noticed it also states the name of, well, the producer, Sualu. And sometimes they include the name of them, so in case, you fell in love with this canvas, you can search through this seller through Amazon and you can locate what other kind of paintings they might have. I found that out because I did have another painting before that had a different name. I looked it up on Amazon and I was able to see, oh my goodness, they have so many paintings. So I was able to order some more. I'll work on this one for a bit, and if I really do love how the image is coming out, I'll make sure to order more from that producer. Because I'm actually seeing there's a lot of color blocking on this painting. And color blocking, just in case you're not familiar with the term, it's large sections of the same color. I'm seeing it with the sky a lot, especially with the blue, lighter blue, and every time it switches. But they're actually big blocks of color. I'm actually really liking that. And when you get close to the trees, that's when you start seeing the wonderful confetti. And again, if you're not familiar with that term, it's just the diamond painting term we use for if there's a lot of color changing in an area. We call it confetti. As you can see, there's some yellow, switching to a dark blue to a dark brown. And it's real random, mostly in the trees. And then you start going down to the river, back to the large blocks of color. Oh, I really do like this painting. I love how it's shifting a lot. And I do like either or confetti or color blocking. Color blocking, you're able to move a little faster. Confetti, you take a little longer since you have to keep switching colors. But, that's part of the fun, isn't it? And just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. Just in case a nice, wonderful mountainside with northern lights is your style as well. Honestly, I really love these bright colors. I'm a big fan of them. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I know it's kind of a short video, and as I said, this order, I was only able to, get one painting delivered. No problems with that. I'm going to put it in my portfolio just to make sure that crease goes away. And I really do want to get this one up, but as I said, I have so many paintings I got to finish. Want to complete all of those before I even start thinking of making a new one, but this one, I will put on my list as, one of my first ones, so I actually start kitting up new ones. And again, just in case, just to let you all know, again, I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I'm just a customer, and I really, really love buying. A lot of their paintings have been discounted, and I make sure to put the price on here as well, just in case you're, you like the canvas, and in case you want to see the pricing that's going on over on Amazon, I make sure to put it so you can know. So far, I've been really happy with all the paintings I'm getting. So check it out. You might be able to find a painting or two you might like, especially with the discounts right now, since there are a lot of sales going on. You're able to find something. And apologies, I keep talking. Sorry about that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Northern lights and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.